Welcome, in front of me is POCO M6, and in this video I will show you how to fix auto brightness on the smartphone. The first thing that you have to do is open settings on your phone, then go to the display and brightness settings and toggle your automatic brightness by switching this toggle to the left and to the right. Alternatively, you can use the sunlight mode, so try toggling this switch instead, or switching this toggle instead, and see if it works better for you. Then once you enable the adaptive brightness, let's use a dry towel to wipe the surface of the screen of the smartphone to clean the light sensors that are located around your camera, the frontal one, and generally to clean your camera too, in order for it to adapt the brightness of your phone to the environment better. Then once you do that, restart your phone to refresh your light sensors. To do that, press and hold the power button and the volume up key, and at the same time select reboot and wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, your adaptive screen brightness should start working normally again. Additionally, you can go into settings and search for update. Make sure that you are connected to the internet in the meantime. So open your Wi-Fi network or just use the mobile network instead. Connect to the Wi-Fi like this, and then search for system update in your settings. Open this section and then see if there are any updates available, and if there are any updates for your device, then download, install them and apply them. Restart your phone afterwards and your automatic brightness should start working normally after that. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.